Now we're ready to cover our barbecue. So I've just taken this out of the refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and slide it off the board that it was on. Put that aside. Rolled out my red fondant here. Lift this up and slide your cake over to your fondant. And plop that down. Hopefully I got it in the center. And just smooth this part out. Remember, oh, look at that air bubble. What you want to do is smooth that out. See how I lifted it up here? Get the air bubble out. Remember to concentrate on the top and around those edges first. There's a little air bubble here and a little flaw there, but you're not going to see it, so don't worry. Okay, so gently pull this apart, slide that down. I'm going to pull the cake a little closer to me so I can actually see what I'm doing. Pull this out, slide that in. Remember, be patient. Don't try to do it too fast because that's when you'll get the little creases and seams at the base. Turn it. See how I'm always pulling it back out? Pushing it back in, out, in. Turn it. Okay, now I'm just going to smooth it all the way around. If you have one of those fondant smoothers, you could use one of those. Good. I'm just going to kind of do it like this. Okay, grab your pizza cutter. Go ahead and cut around the base. And roll up the excess because we're going to need that to cover our lid, which is the chocolate bowl that we did. Place that aside, turn around, make sure you cut all that. Now this is an 8-inch cake, remember. I have a 14-inch board here that I've covered with white contact paper. I already have my double stick tape down there because remember this is on its separate cake board. And I'm not going to put it right in the center. I actually want it back a little so the lid can go there, so I need to move my tape. Put it a little too far forward, but see how easy it is to move? Just pull this in, and remember to use a spatula, because sometimes your hands get in the way. And I think it can go forward just a little bit. Nice thing about it, if we need to move it again, we can. There we go. That should give us enough room for our lid there. If not, we might have to move it over, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. What we can actually do is take our lid, which is right here, which I have to cover next anyway, and oh yeah, that'll be fine. Don't have to worry about it. Okay? Alright, so set that aside, and I'll go ahead and roll out my red fondant and cover the lid.